Hello, how are you? This is Adriana Ruiz Flores, and this is my new page to live in balance. Yes, it's a new page, but it's the same Adriana Ruiz Flores because we cannot separate myself from myself and my business from myself because I am my business and my business is me, you know what I mean. Okay, so I am just introducing this new page to live in balance. Here I'm going to be sharing some tips and video trainings and live videos and all that jazz. And I'm going to have also secret group, which is going to be secret. Yeah, and I will let you know as soon as it's done, but stay tuned and I will let you know. So, well, let me announce you that I'm going to have daily, not daily, but one day and the other not, live streams. I'm going to start tomorrow, Monday, and it's going to be Monday, Motivational Mondays, every Monday at 9 o'clock. Wednesday at 9 o'clock in the morning, Mexico City time. And it's going to be tricks and tips for business, Facebook tips and business tips and all that jazz. And on Friday as well at 9 o'clock in the morning, Mexico City time, is going to be Social Friday because we love Fridays. And I'm going to be sharing the screen with someone special every single Friday. So stay tuned, be aware of the announcements, and get ready to join me with a coffee or with a beer or whatever you can. It depends on which time of the day are you going to be tuning in. So Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 9 o'clock in the morning, Mexico City time. Motivational Mondays, Wednesday tips, and Social Fridays. So this is Adriana Ruiz Flores. This is my business page, but I am Adriana Ruiz Flores, and the page is to live in balance, but they are both together because we are the same. Okay, so thank you so much. God bless you, and stay tuned.